first ornament on the Christmas tree. Can you do it? Is this where you want it, right here? Look, put your hands up here, and then you push it. Yay! Good job!
Now leave it there.
Yeah. Do you want to do another one? You want to do a gold one? Yes! Where do you want to put it? Where do you want to put it? Put it on the tree. Want Mommy showed you? In this hand. And then pinch it. Can you pinch it? Look, put 2 fingers like this and pinch it. Don't pull it off. Let's put it right here. Okay, like that. Yay! More? You want another gold one? Here, I'll let you choose. Do you want red or gold? Red. Red. Uh-oh!
Right next to the other one.
Want me to help? Hold it down here. Like that. Like that. And then like on a branch. Oh, it's a drooper. You like this, huh? You gonna do the whole tree by yourself? Here's another red one. Put it on that side of the tree, okay? Well, can you move over here? Put on this side. Oh, is that where that goes? Put it on the tree.
Hey, put on the tree, buddy.